Hamlet, I'm just trying to watch Ghost Whisperer. I need you to be quiet. I'm watching a movie. I'm watching Ghost Whisperer. It's fine. Just watch it with me. I gotta have a shower and get ready for bed. Yeah. Having a shower and getting ready for bed. Because it's nighttime. It's your bedtime too. It is. Did you just blow raspberry at me? So I'm about to do a workout and I've also let out Hamlet and I'll show you what happens. Hi. Hello. Am I doing good for you? Can you go away? That's not what I meant. Okay. Keep going. Keeping going. You don't make this fun. What? Just doing some deep breathing and I have company. Didn't have me the best day, so I thought I'd lighten the mood by telling Hamlet some jokes. Yeah, you ready? When is it a good time to buy a bird? When they're going cheap. I couldn't anyone see the bird because he jumped off my hand out of the shot. Because he was in disguise. Do you get it? Is that fun? No. What bird movie won an Oscar? You can't laugh yet, I haven't finished the joke. What bird movie won an Oscar? Lord of the Wings. You can't laugh yet. You tell a joke. Yeah, that was a good one. You don't hate it. How's that feel? You're not sure? What is this? Hi. Just say absolute perfection today. 11 out of 10, and I just don't think you can get much better than this, you know? And you're here too. I've woken up and I tried a new tan. Orange. It's the same color as your beak. Do you have a friend? You have a friend? Oh, here's something we haven't done in a while. Hamlet! What you doing there, fella? You wouldn't be eating shoes, would you? Hamlet! Hamlet! The yelling doesn't work anymore. Thank you. I'm not exactly sure how it happened, but I didn't open Hamlet's cage. And he's just come to join me. How did you get out? You want to tell me that? How did you get out of your cage? Huh? So I'm trying to do a workout. I know I can. Oh! And this is what happens. Huh? I'm currently browning like a rotisserie chicken. I didn't mean you. You're blue. Blue. How do you feel about my, I didn't even get to finish. Only ever say the same thing? Do you ever have an original thought? Look at me. The term bird brain is used to describe those who don't have a lot going on upstairs. Yeah. I'm not saying mean things. I'm actually just saying straight facts. Like my hair? Don't avoid the question. Just say no if you don't like it. Yeah, okay. I don't believe you. So I've discovered if I stick out my tongue, I don't know how it was trained exactly, but Hamlet, then after I do that, wants to give me kisses. And it's the cutest thing. Thank you! In a minute, I'm gonna need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy, walking in my Valenciennes, trying to bring out the fabulous. I don't give it way too... I'm gonna take like 2 shots in my cup. Looking cup, huh? Kisses? Okay, there are 10, but they always ask the same questions. What are you doing? Are you a bit stuck? Are you stuck? Hamlet? Are you stuck? You got it. Good job. See, you could do it. Yeah. Good job. I'm just watching you fail a little bit. I don't want to go to work. You want me to stay home? I can stay home, but you need to call my boss. Right now? Okay, go ahead. You won't. What are you gonna say? What are you gonna say to her? I should point out I'm the boss at the moment, so there's literally no one I can call that's there. You wanna come with me? You wanna come work with me? It'd be so fun. You could talk to customers. They're not that bad. You could ask them what they're doing, and yeah, shocking, I know. And they can give you an answer that's probably just as stupid as their first question in the first place. Sounds really bad. It seems like I don't like customers. I don't. Trying to set up the camera. You don't have to be there for every single thing that happens, okay? It's fine. What? I'm just trying to fix it. You can help, but I don't know what you can do. You can pretend to help. You're good at that. Fix it so it stays put, you know? What? I had this person come in today and they were like talking to me about their problem, and I was like, well, I don't really know how to help you with that. And they're like, oh, I thought there's supposed to be customer service. I'm like, well, I can't help you. You probably need a therapist for that, right? Seems a bit odd, doesn't it? People are so weird. Looking so handsome. That's you. Look. Handsome, you. Handsome. Handsome. You're cute. You're cute. Good morning. Good morning. That's what you look like. Oh, I just cracked my neck. Did you hear that? I don't know what it did. It hurt. Have a good day. Have a good... Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day?